I'm going back to Shivani, continues to be with us from the NIA office in the national capital. The link to Pakistan is certainly something that's going to be looked at, whether there were members of the ISIS who were here in the country, what happened, what about the funding, who were the handlers, who were supporting him. These are questions that Tahir Rana will be answering in days to come, Shivani.
Sneha, there are about 36 questions that have been prepared for Tahir Rana, and these questions will be asked to him by 12 different officials of the NIA in this special team of investigation. And these are questions which are very simple, Sneha. These questions like, why did you come to India? Where were you when the 26/11 attack happened? And most of the answers, the evidences are already with the NIA, but they want to confront Rana with their questions. They want to know his links with other people. They want to know for whom Rana has been working, because, you know, Rana is not the only conspirator against India. There must be a number of them. It's quite possible that many of them are still in India. The sleeper cells, for example, they might be in India. The ground workers, the OGWs, who have been supporting these terrorists in India, the kind of conspiracies they've been hatching, not only the 26/11 conspiracy, Sneha, but even after that, they were in India. Tahir Rana visited India. He was traveling in a number of places, and he was making calls to his friend, David Headley, and they exchanged around 200 calls. And these conversations are all evidences that they were hatching a conspiracy against India. They have also tried to forge the documents. These 10 terrorists who entered India on 26/11, they were wearing kalava on their hands. They were pretending to be Hindus. They were pretending to be Indians. So who was helping them with that plan, that strategy, that whole document that was being given to them, the plan, the recce which was being done? So everything is in the charge sheet. Now what's happening here, Sneha, at the NIA headquarters where the grilling is happening, the NIA officials want more evidences, they want more links, they want to know about other people who have been supporting Rana and his likes. And very soon, when 18 days will be over, there will be a solid proof or an evidence with the NIA officials, because all this is being documented. It is all being videographed. This whole investigation will be videographed. Then a case sheet will be filed, and then this investigation will get a consolidated direction so that Tahir Rana can face justice in India.
All right, I'm going to thank you, Shivani, getting in those details as far as the detailed report on Tahir Rana. The questions that he's going to be asked are 36 questions that he is going to be asked by the investigating agencies. In this case, the NIA that has been looking into this matter. They have the questionnaire ready, and even as we speak, he is being questioned by the agency.